so we got the Corolla back. Got my older brother driving this.
That's a grippy clutch.
Yeah, the clutch engages like right away. I forgot to warn you about that. Actually, got a lot of room back here.
Moly.
Kind of.
This thing just wants to go.
The car keeps talking to you.
What is this?
She's my friend. Are you pressing something? So press the middle button on the radio. Everything is Japanese on this car.
Where are you going, man?
It's a purebred man.
I'll go for it. Let me get some food.
Get some food. Yeah, get some food. Go to Japan. We're gonna need that in Japan.
8,000 RPM, by the way.
What?
High revving, like a Type R. You have to go all the way. That's where it opens up.
Oh, I'm trying to feel it first. I feel like I'm back in the 90s.
Yeah, right?
I love this retro interior. We need to start doing this again.
It's a little bumpy back here.
A little bit. Oh, it's got what kind of suspension?
You know, I'm not even sure. I know it's got aftermarket suspension, but it's got the super strut that I think Toyota came with.
Nice. Yes. You got insurance on this thing, right?
Only the value up to 10 grand anymore. We gotta raise up the value on this car. Because these things are going up and up in auction.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I only valued it at 10 grand for now.
Kind of reminds me of the Toyota Tercel interior.
Hey!
Have you noticed that?
It probably is close
That
enough.
dashboard's the same.
It's basically a Corolla.
Yeah. This is cool.
A little bit of Celica, too.
It's a bit of a Supra too. Look at the steering wheel.
Yeah.
That is a Supra right there, guys.
Super steering wheel, yep.
And the rear wing and the rear lights.
Yes. Definitely.
Those are pretty universal for all the cars.
Yep.
What about the seats? I think they're Recaros.
They feel like a car.
Because in the brochure, I think they said Recaros on these. Correct me if I'm wrong, but
It doesn't say anything though, but the side, like the bolsters and stuff, that's what it feels like. Oh man, I'm gonna get a gear here real quick, man. Oh man.
The gauge is fast, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very quick.
yeah,
There's like no gap at all.
you get used to it. Wheel spin.
Yes. Come on, I'm a 90s car.
No, overtake them, man. 170 some horsepower.
How's the brakes?
Brakes are pretty good. I haven't really tested them yet.
Blind spots are so weird on this.
Oh, when you're driving right-hand drive?
Yeah.
It takes a little bit to get used to.
I always double check.
Yeah, it is definitely weird. So, it has upgraded turbo?
It's not turbo.
Feels like
Were you being serious?
turbo.
It feels like a turbo. I wasn't sure if you were serious for a second. I'm like,
I mean, I thought all these gauges.
I know.
Like a boost
They're
gauge in there
useless.
somewhere.
Well temperature water.
They work. That's all that matters. They
That's all
work.
that matters.
It's connected.
Yep. Got that NA feel. Oh yeah. Yeah. Power, baby. What kind of ECU?
I'm not sure what kind of ECU is on here.
How's the mirror underneath this thing?
I haven't checked.
It's a little. I think it's alright. It's actually not
That's like
bad.
those Broadway
Yeah.
track mirrors.
I like the original mirror.
It's not bad. It reminds me of Japan.
Those rear tints are horrible.
Yeah, no, we gotta get rid of these
the
tints.
tints are not that good in the back.
What if we could just start peeling it off right now?
You probably can. I'm sure.
Oh yeah, look, the tint is coming off. I think I can do this.
Probably heat it up. It might come off easier.
If you heat it up, yeah. It'll peel off better without residue.
Yeah, it's actually flaking. I'm not sure if I can get this off in one piece.
Alright, we hit 6 psi of oil pressure.
But it's fun. This thing's a lot of fun, actually. I feel like it could take a beating.
It's a Toyota, man.
Yeah, it definitely feels like it could take a beating.
All right, there you folks have it, the Toyota Levin BZR. Now stay tuned because I got some more updates coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys.